So, good evening everyone. My name is New James Monterde and I am the reporter of Mathematics is a Language of Nature. So, nganong nakaingon man ta nga ang mathematics is a language of nature. So, let's go to the first paragraph. So, nag-talk sila about ang ancient people o ang mga modern people is nag-use na gyud siya mga mathematics sa. So, makita nato from different aspects in our environment kung mugawas ta is makita og nato ang shapes, ang scales, ang symmetry sa usa ka nature. So makita og nato sa in the modern world and ancient world is na-notice na nato ang nature as a mathematics. So with the help of mathematics is that pwede natong ma-solve ang atong mga problema o maka-formulate og mga hypothesis. And also we can discover new discoveries by the help of nature and also mathematics. So in early ideas is sa mga tao diri is wala pa man to na develop ang mga writing system. So ang ila gibuhat is nag-make sila of their own kanang mathematics, which is ang simple ra sila. Nag-use sila og mga techniques just like counting on woods, bones, and stones. By that is it can help them to trade and also to count their supplies. So ang early humans had noticed ang nature is nagod siya pagkakuan sa mathematics because it has shape and also it has kanang numbers, di ba? And they thought that nature has following a set of rules. So in this paragraph is that ang mga scientists discovered that not just human ang pwede makaperform og mga calculations, but also animals on how they survive, on how they perform a simple calculation to catch a fish just like birds, or to eat their prey just like lions. So diri sa ancient civilization is na-create ang number system o measurement units. So ang kaning number system is mo ni siya ang mga numbers. And also, ang kaning measurement units is we have the meters, centimeters, feet, foot, just like that. So, during a part is that ang Sumerians is nag-create sila og clay tablet, which is nag-show siya kanang symbols nga nag-represent sa mga quantities and their degrees. And also, ilagi kuan diri ang 60 minutes, which is equivalent to 1 hour. And ilagi kuan diri ang circle, which is a 360 degrees. The Sumerians had created clay tablets para mahibawaan kung unsa ang angle or degrees sa usa ka symbol. So, in this paragraph is that ang mga Babylonian is tend to study geometry and algebra. Kaya nga naman, to study the eclipses on how the moon rotates in the earth, the cycle of the sun and the moon, the night and day. And after nila man-discover na, ila to ibutang nila sa cuneiform script ang ilang mga na-discover. And they believe that by understanding number is that understanding the will of God's. Meaning, if you understand the number, is that you understand the creation of God, which is the nature. So, in this paragraph is that ang mga Egyptians is ilagay sa mathematics for practical works. Just like pyramids, what are the degrees of the pyramids? And they created the calendars or the early calendars. And also, their precise architecture serves as a great advancement to humanity and a great understanding of mathematics. In this paragraph is that ang China is nag-use og counting rods, while the Indians is nag-create sila og decimal system, which is ang mauna na siya ang atuang ginabuhat sad karon, di ba? Gipabuhat ta og mga calculations sa atong mga mathematic teachers using decimal, converting decimal to whole number, di ba? So, in this paragraph is that dili lang ang mathematics is not just a use for survival but also understanding the nature. And by understanding nature is nanay harmony ang musunod ana. In this paragraph is ang Greeks daw is nagtalk sila about is not mathematics is not just a practical skill, is more than a universe. Nga naman, by understanding the mathematics more is that dira ragod na ma-open imong mind. Di lang kay practical skill siya, just like for example, nag-study ta about mathematics, all about calculations, nagtuta all about na siya calculations, pero napa na di ay siya deeper meaning, di ba? Tuo na to ganang walay gamit ang mathematics sa atong kinabuhi, pero wa ta kahibaw is dako gud na siya kanang nabuhat sa ato or pinaka-importante. Kaya nga naman, ang teacher nato is nag-talk siya about degrees. What are the degrees of the triangle? So, puhon-puhon, once na marka maghimotang architecture or magpormata sa atong mga balay, is gamit kayo ang mathematics. So, mo na siya ang ginabuot pasabot diri. So, in this paragraph is that we have Pythagoras and his fellow followers. They studied all about music, di ba? Kung unsa ang pagka-harmony or harmonious sa usa ka music. So, ang mathematics is not just numbers lang day, but also makakuan sa di kaya nagkanang music. So, by the half of mathematics is that makahimo ta og nindot nga tono sa usa ka music. And iya sad gi-state diri nga ang right triangle is mao kuno na siya ang maka-describe sa world nato. So, in this paragraph is we have Plato and Aristotle. So, ang buot pasabot ni Plato diri is that ang mga humans or mathematics is a perfect model in our world. While ang katong gikuan ni Aristotle is mao na siya ang experience. So in this paragraph is we have the Greek philosopher, which is Euclid and Archimedes. So si Euclid is mao na siya ang Greek philosopher who create the book of the elements. So according to him is that his book is para makuha to ang geometric truths is that you must follow a few principles. While in Archimedes is that he create the physics, which is the movement of fluids and all about physics. In this paragraph is that Galileo Galilei explained how nature and mathematics may relate to each other. So he said that the great book of nature is written in a language of mathematics, which means the nature is that mathematics can predict the nature itself. So he had a lot of hypotheses, and the answer of his problems was the mathematics. He said that it's not only answer the nature, but also it can predict it. In this paragraph is that Isaac Newton is inspired by Galileo Galilei's theory about mathematics and nature. So he created the laws of motion, which is the inertia, the pulling, and the pushing. So he was inspired by Galileo Galilei. So he created that, and which is it allows us to gain knowledge about the nature itself, on how to use mathematics in nature. So after they created the different kinds of theories, many people has or interested on discovering new discoveries because of the many theories of Greek philosophers that has been published. In this paragraph is from Sir James Jeans. So he suggested that the universe is not just describe mathematics but also mathematics itself. So it is a great word coming from the philosophers, diba? So he said that universe is not just describing mathematics, but it is mathematics itself. The shapes, the structure, the numbers coming from the celestial bodies. And he said that the great thought is not come from the great machine. So in this paragraph is we have Fibonacci sequence, wherein Fibonacci sequence has followed or had followed the series of numbers, which is the sum of the two preceding ones. Yes, or it is the sum up of 2 before it. Like for example, 1 plus 1 equals 2, 2 plus 2 equals 4, 4 plus 4 equals 8, and 8 plus 8 equals 16, and 16 plus 16 equals 32. So this Fibonacci sequence suggested the spiral pattern. An example of spiral pattern is we have the flowers, we have the shells. So this Fibonacci sequence has a great impact for us humans to know what kind of pattern in that nature. Yes. So in this paragraph is we have the power cascades. So power cascades is studied by the physics and the biologists. So power cascades is more in the point and sharp shapes, right? And for example is that is we have the claws, and scientists or biologists and psychists believe that nature in randomness follows a mathematical order, which means there is an order or the sequence of order in nature, and they must follow it in order to emphasize the uniqueness of nature. So, in this paragraph, is that mga siunang panahon pa is ato na ginagamit ang mathematics. From ancient civilization to modern era is state theory is that ang mathematics is the way to reveal the beauty of the nature, di ba? On how to discover or how to solve different hypotheses. Yeah. And also, mathematics helps the universe to unfold its beauty, reason, and order.